Good day everyone, we are the Omis and for our 11th project, we will show how to interact with a servo motor using a potentiometer. Instead of moving automatically, this time the user can control the servo manually. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tario Mark Vincent, and me, Mojica Denver John. We collaborated to wire the circuit, code the interaction, and test the servo. Interacting with a servo means controlling its position in real time, usually with an input device like a potentiometer. This allows us to set the servo's angle manually, which is useful in robotics, remote controls, and automation systems. For this project, we use one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one servo motor, one potentiometer, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. We connected the servo's VCC to 5V, GND to ground, and signal wire to digital pin 9. The potentiometer's middle pin goes to analog pin A0, and the other two pins connect to 5V and GND. This way, turning the potentiometer changes the voltage, which Arduino reads and converts into a servo angle. This program reads the potentiometer's value and maps it to a servo angle between 0 degree and 179 degrees. Turning the potentiometer changes the servo's position smoothly in real time. Here's a video of us wiring the potentiometer and servo and uploading the code. And here's the final output. And that's all. Thank you.